Are you interested in applying architectural mesh to your next project, but need more information on installation? In this video, I'll be walking you through the installation process step by step so you'll be well informed on what to expect during the project. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Terry from WS Tyler, and today I'll be your architectural mesh guide. Today, we will be covering what the installation process of mesh looks like. First, it should be noted that the installation of mesh is done by an outside contractor and not the wire mesh supplier themselves. Also, the process is rather straightforward and only a few steps are needed before installation begins. In a typical mesh installation, the building will already have substructure in the form of L profiles at the top and bottom pre-installed before mesh arrives. The intermediate tube should also be pre-installed before the mesh is hoisted up onto the building. It is also recommended that the clevis hardware is pre-installed so that the substructure can receive the mesh system. After initial setup, your contractor will do the following steps before installing the mesh facade. Step 1. Attach the pre-assembled clevis assemblies to each hole in the flat tension profiles. You'll want to leave two open for the lifting tools. The lifting tools are used to hoist the mesh up to the top of the building. Step 2. Using the included self-locking nuts, secure the clevis bolts to the flat tension profile. Step 3. Place the mesh roll into the cradle and attach the lifting tool to the openings in the flat tension profiles as mentioned in Step 1. Step 4. Using a cherry picker or a crane, hoist the mesh off the ground and the mesh will automatically self-unroll within the cradle. It's recommended to have two helpers at the bottom with ropes attached to the cradle so the mesh doesn't sway. Step 5. Attach the top clevis assemblies to the top of the substructure profile on the building. Ensure that the plastic sleeves are in place to avoid any dissimilar metal contact. Step 6. Use the same methods as steps 1, 2, and 5 to attach the bottom clevis bolts. Step 7. Now it's time to tighten the springs. You'll tighten the springs to the given dimension from the shop drawings that WS Tyler provides. Step 8. If using intermediate tubes, use the provider wire connectors to wrap around the tube and clip on the back side of the mesh. If you'd like more detailed instructions, we have a handbook you can download. Just click the link in the video. If you have any questions or you would like more information about integrating mesh into your next project, give us a call over the phone at 800-321-6188 or our email at arcsales@wstyler.com or fill out the Contact Us form on our website. If you'd like to learn more about architectural mesh, we have a learning center on our website full of content to help you become an expert. Just click the link in the video description. To keep up to date on all things WS Tyler, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. Until then, my name's Terry. Have a good day.